Hi, David Adler here for exercise number 6. I put java.io.star to pull in everything that I need. If it needs something, it will pull it with the import. Java.util.scanner as well to put in the scanner. String main to read the file, return all the content that it gets as a string. The scanner that will be reading the file. To return the content for the loop. Public static void, initialize grid. This will fill the entire grid with stars. Just like how it shows in the example of the assignment. I have the fill grid to do the encryption. String text main file name will read the file. Initialize grid will fill the entire grid with the stars. I will do the grid, rows, columns. Here I'm initializing my variables, so I is row, j is column for the grid. And then I will pick a character. It will pick a character C from file text and populate the grid. Character C text that character. This is my if else and if statements. If it's an even row, it'll fill from left to right. Odd row, fill from right to left. If end of column, it will go to the next row and restart it. And then if end of rows, it will stop populating the grid. This will extract the characters in column major order. This is my columns, this is my rows. System.outprint. This will start the process. This will define the dimensions for rows and columns. This will define the grid. This will call the function to fill the grid, and this will show the encrypted text. That is all.